What's up, everyone? In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Cloudflare WARP disconnected error step by step. If your WARP VPN keeps disconnecting, won't connect at all, or gets stuck on connecting, don't worry. This is a simple fix that usually solves the problem in just a couple of minutes. Make sure you watch until the end so you don't miss any steps. And if this tutorial helps you out, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open Cloudflare WARP on your computer. You can do this by clicking the WARP icon in your system tray on Windows or the menu bar on Mac. If it's currently disconnected or stuck trying to connect, that's perfectly fine. The issue we're fixing happens when WARP keeps disconnecting repeatedly or refuses to establish a stable connection. Once the WARP window is open, look for the Settings option. You'll usually see a small gear icon in the corner of the app window. Click on that gear icon to open the Settings menu. Inside Settings, you'll see several tabs or categories. What you want to do next is click on Preferences. After you're inside Preferences, look to the left-hand side and find the Connection section. Go ahead and click on Connection. This is where the network-related configurations for WARP are stored. Now scroll down until you see the option that says Reset All Settings. This is the key step that fixes most disconnected errors. When you click Reset All Settings, the app will ask you to confirm that you want to reset Cloudflare WARP. Confirm the reset by clicking OK or Confirm. What this does is restore WARP back to its default state, just like when you first installed it. It clears out any corrupted configuration files or misconfigured network settings that may be causing the disconnecting issue. After confirming, WARP will restart automatically. You may see the Setup or Welcome screen appear again. If you do, simply click Next, then accept the terms if prompted and continue through the short setup process. Once the app finishes restarting, you'll be back on the main screen and it should show as disconnected. Now click the toggle button to turn WARP back on. It will say connecting for a few seconds. Give it a moment to establish the connection. In most cases, after performing this reset, WARP will connect normally without disconnecting again. The constant disconnect loop should now be completely resolved. If for some reason it still doesn't connect, make sure your internet connection is working properly, and consider restarting your computer once after the reset. But for the majority of users, resetting all settings fixes the issue immediately. And that's it. That's how you fix the Cloudflare WARP disconnected error quickly and easily. Just open WARP, go to Settings, head into Preferences, click on Connection, and choose Reset All Settings, then Reconnect. If this video helped you solve the problem, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and effective tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.